Hi friends. Welcome to our channel Enlightening Knowledge. Today I would like to share my views on types of chocolate. Without wasting our time, let's get into the video. There are three main types of chocolate. First, white chocolate. Second, milk chocolate. Third, dark chocolate. But further I would like to share types of chocolate on the basis of taste. Here are 10 different types of chocolate to delight your taste buds. First, milk chocolate is the most popular type of chocolate. It actually contains only 10 to 40% cacao mixed with sugar and milk. Milk chocolate is much sweeter than dark or bittersweet chocolate and has a lighter cacao. Second, white chocolate. It doesn't have a very chocolatey taste, but resembles smooth vanilla. White chocolate contains a minimum 20% cocoa butter and 55% sugar, and about 15% milk solids. Third, dark chocolate. The amount of cocoa in dark chocolate bars ranges from 30% all the way up to 80%. Bittersweet chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate are also technically dark chocolate but are used for baking purposes. Fourth, semi-sweet chocolate. It contains at least 35% cocoa solids. Semi-sweet chocolate falls somewhere between bittersweet chocolate and sweet dark chocolate. This type of chocolate is most commonly used for baking. Fifth, bittersweet chocolate. It's contain at least 35% cocoa according to the FDA. But most bittersweet bars contain 50%, with others having as much as 80% cocoa. This type of chocolate often has a deeper and more bitter flavor. Sixth, unsweetened chocolate or baking chocolate. It is just like its name implies. It's pure chocolate liquor, made of simply of ground cocoa beans. It's also known as baking chocolate because it's not meant for consumption on its own. Seventh, cocoa powder is also comprised of 100% cacao with no sugar. Cocoa powder is also very bitter but is commonly used in recipes. Eighth, sweet Grerman chocolate. It is a dark baking chocolate created by a man named Samuel Grerman. Who gave it its name? He created this chocolate to be convenient for bakers and added sugar directly to it. Ninth, Couverture chocolate. It is an expensive type of chocolate that contains a higher percentage of cocoa butter than other varieties. The high cocoa butter content helps it melt quickly and evenly, making it perfect for tempering and making candies. 10th, ruby chocolate. It is the newest variety around and was first formulated in China in September 2017. It is made from ruby cocoa beans naturally found in Ecuador, Brazil. It is said to taste a combination of white chocolate and berries, even though there aren't any berries in the recipe. Friends, this is for all today. Hope you like the concept. For getting more intense and interesting information, please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay blessed.